Hi from Dubai. Today I'm making house decorations and they're called lanterns. All I need is scissors, colored paper, and some glue. Let's get started. First we'll cut a little stripe of paper. We'll need it later. Like this. Now we will fold the paper in half. Like this. Now I will draw a line like this. Now I'm going to take my scissors and do lots of cuts from the middle to the line. Now my paper looks like this. Time for some magic. I'll fix it here with a glue. Now we're gonna fix the handle with glue. My lantern is ready and it's so beautiful. I'm gonna put it in my bedroom to have sweet dreams always. Thanks for watching.